Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset website on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Resetting your Squarespace website can mean different things depending on your goals. You may want to reset specific sections, remove content, or maybe start over with a fresh template. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the profile icon and click on the account dashboard. Now, select the website that you wanted to work with. If you want to reset some of the content here inside your website, all right, for example, all of these sections, you might want to delete all these elements that is included on the interface. That's one way. Now the next option for you to reset is click on the site style, and as you can see here on the themes, just revert back to the old content. For example, on the fonts right here, you can simply click on reset font pack, so it will revert back to the old form, kind of like resetting. You can also do the same thing with colors, all right, buttons, forms, okay, and the miscellaneous, wherein there's animation, there's spacing. You can reset styles to default as well. So that's one way for you to reset your website from its original form, and the image blocks. All right, so you can simply hover to the bottom where you can have the option to reset styles to default. That's two ways. Another option is if you wanted to go to the pages, you might want to remove some of the pages on your section in the dashboard. For example, this one. We don't want this kind of a blog anymore. Just click on confirm. And this one right here, I don't want this page. I'm gonna click on delete. Don't worry, because all of these can be found in trash. So if you, in case you change your mind, you might wanna just go to a trash and revert it back. But if you wanted to remove some clutterness on your web page, just delete all of these options right here. All right, delete store pages and all of that. Now the fourth way is gonna be having a full reset, like starting over. If you want to completely reset your Squarespace site, all you have to do is hover to the templates. Okay, so one of the best ways for you to save time is using the AI website builder. All right, you can simply click on the get started button, and you would be forwarded to these amazing design templates. But of course, we're not going to spend too much time on creating from scratch. Instead, we're going to build using AI. We can choose from expertly curated colors, fonts, and page layouts to create a custom website template that matches our vision, guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. Click on Get Started, and we would be forwarded here where we can design, add the pages we need, choose the colors and fonts, and of course, generate text and images with AI. Now, this is going to be a full reset. All right. Please take note that this action is irreversible, so ensure you have a backup any important content before proceeding. And of course, we're going to create a new site. Just wait for it. You just have to follow the on-screen instructions, because that would help the Blueprint AI to give suggestions on a default website. I'm going to be choosing the playful. You see, AI is loading content. Now, I'm not going to be choosing intro, probably like maybe digital product section. I'm going to click on next. I don't want something about this, but click on next. And you can choose all these professional color palette. Playful, you can use something like a very vivid colors. Click on next, and you have all these font style that you can choose from. So you're not limited. These are going to be some of the recommended font style that you can use, climate. I'm gonna stick with this one for now. Click on finish and just wait for it. Once it's loaded, of course, you have the option to edit the site. Now, another thing is click on edit. I'm gonna go and add some information such as text, image, video, so you can customize again the website content of your Squarespace builder here. All right. Once you've done that, say for example, I'm gonna delete this one. Click on save. This is very important because click on exit. Go to the settings here for your website, and there's gonna be an option that says import and export content. Okay. Now, backing up content is very essential before making any significant changes or a full reset. All right. Consider backing up your content. You have two options. You can import, which is going to be importing content from other platforms like WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger. You can also export all of these, your blogs and pages, to WordPress. All right. And of course, from here, you can copy text and download images to store them safely. So these are going to be your options in resetting your Squarespace site. And again, if you have more questions about making changes or a full reset, I highly suggest to consider what you're trying to achieve. And of course, if you need specific guidance or related questions from this site, is gonna be easy if you ask some technical and troubleshooting insights from one of the customer support staff. And from here, that's going to be about design. Wait for it. And once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you wanted help on how to reset your Squarespace template or Squarespace website. And they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. And remember that before making any major changes like a full reset, it's essential to consider what you are trying to achieve and back up any important content so you know how to back up. And from here, resetting your Squarespace site can be a strategic decision that leads to improved functionality, design, and overall performance. If you're considering a reset, make sure again to back up important content and plan your changes carefully. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.